Exhausted Rooster, 8 ounces, 10 years ago. This is a flake, Burley, Virginia. Wow! Oh, that was a lot of good smelling air. Aged Virginia smell. Look at the crystals. Welcome back. We have another review. This time it is Exhausted Rooster, Cornell and Diehl. This has been out since 2008. Well, you saw the 8 ounce tin. I actually been smoking the whole tin down over the summer, so it's coming down to the end of it. This is a flake, as you saw. It's a Virginia, Burley, and a little bit of Perique. So it's basically a Virginia Burley flake. So if there's any fans out there of Virginia Burley flakes, this is for you, and you will enjoy this. Now, you saw all the crystals and stuff when I was taking that out of the container. That adds to the sweetness because, you know, it's pretty old. So this has a nice sweetness to it. It has that aged Virginia. The Burley gives it the extra kick. So this is kind of on the strong side. So I would say medium strong. So I would definitely strong if you smoke it fresh. So if you like stronger stuff, definitely, you know, go into this. Give this a try if you haven't tried it already. But if you haven't, if you're just smoking lighter stuff or aromatics, you want to ease into something else before you get into this, because it will knock you a little bit. It's not super strong, but it's strong enough to give you something. So but yeah, this is a very nice tasty blend. Yeah, it's really, yeah, I can get the sweetness of the Virginias. The Burley has the body to it. It gives it more of that tobacco flavor. And there's a tiny bit of spice. I would say that's the Perique trying to come through. I really don't think there's a lot of Perique in here at all. So this is mainly a Virginia Burley flake. Yeah, I mean, you do light puffs with this, and man, it's pretty tasty. I'm you know, it's something that always falls under the radar. It's been out a while. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it stays the same throughout the bowl. I've smoked it in this pipe. I smoked it in another different mirror. Mainly out of this one. I've been kind of on a tear with this pipe recently. And that's another thing. I know this is a tobacco review, but another thing with the meerschaums, you kind of want to stay with a pipe for a little bit to get everything going correctly and get some of this color going. And sometimes it takes a couple bowls for it to you know, like if you smoke it for a while and you put it away and then you clean it or whatever, it might take a few bowls to get going again. There might be some moisture that comes through, and a little bit of cleaning, a little bit, you know, make sure the shank is clean. That's another thing. Make sure the shank in these pipes are clean also. because cake will build up in there, and then your pipe won't smoke great. It'll stop coloring, and all the moisture is going to start coming through here, and you're like, well, I don't know what I'm doing. I guess it's done, but it's not. It just needs a good cleaning. But I tend to the smoke. I'll get on a tear, and I just levitate towards a couple pipes for a while, 6 to 8 months. But I've smoked in an egg and claw, and this blend tastes exactly the same. So yeah, what can I say? If you just, there's nothing fancy about this blend. It has a subtle sweetness. The Virginias, the barley gives it some body, gives it more tobacco flavor also. Has some strength to it. This is just a good, straightforward tobacco flavored flake, if that means anything. All right, so I got. Till next time, have a good one.